everyone, I have a quick video. I got a friend mail from Opinionated Horse Woman, and she's got some cute little stickers on there and whatnots. Cute little tree and a pony and a snowman, some cute stuff. Anyway, so I'm going to open it up and share it with y'all, and then I have another little message I was going to do today, and so it's just going to be a quick one. I'm at work, so I may have to stop. Oh, she sent me a it says Merry Christmas. Oh, how cute. It says, peace and joy to you this Christmas season. I hope you had a wonderful holiday. From Stephanie. And it is loaded with pretty butterflies and bows and cute stickers. This is a really pretty butterfly. Look at that. So cute. Thank you, Stephanie. And it's loaded with some, oh, so cute. Check them out. Pretty butterfly stickers. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is so adorable. It's a little cow. I love it. And a sloth. Oops, sorry. That one's pretty cute. Sorry, it's not focused. Another pretty butterfly. Cute little cat. I wish you could see it a little bit better. It's not focusing very well. Dragonfly. Pretty dragonfly. And, of course, a magical pony. Love it. Thank you so much. That was so sweet. And I dropped one more. It was another butterfly. Oh, it's so cute. Check it out. Pretty little butterfly. So adorable. So anyways, I got that. It was in the car. That was so sweet. So I got another prayer. And this is just a simple one. It says, in everything, give thanks. And it says 1 Thessalonians 5:18, and I think that's a great message. It's a great message for you and me and anybody. In everything, give thanks. Besides, there's people that are way off worse than us or have a lot going on, and so we should be thankful for what we have. And so thank you guys. I appreciate you watching for this quick little video, and see you next time. Be blessed. Bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and have a blessed day.